What's up?
Hey man, what you doing?
Just watching some real Ghostbusters. It's the one where Slimer does something kind of like silly but innocent, but Peter gets super annoyed with him.
Dude, I thought you were gonna be working on the new sniffer all day.
Oh yeah. No, I mean, I'm definitely doing that. I like to have the noise in the background while I work.
That can wait right now. I got something else on my mind.
Yeah, what are you thinking?
How are we gonna solve this next big rift on the horizon?
Yeah, I've been kind of putting that off. What are you thinking?
Well, there's gotta be a way that we can help people catch the holiday spirit.
Yeah, it's definitely not your usual spectral entity. It can be really elusive for some people this time of year.
Yeah, but that never stopped us. There ain't a ghost in this world we can't bust.
What do you have in mind?
Are you up for the challenge? Help the Iowa-Ghostbusters catch some holiday spirit. This Saturday, November 22nd, we're taking the Ecto-1i out in the town, door to door, neighborhood to neighborhood, on a rolling toy drive. We are collecting toys for children of families in need to help them have a happy holiday this year. We can work together to be sure everyone catches that holiday spirit. Email us right away and we'll add you to the route. We'll come directly to you in Ecto-1i. You can take photos with the car. You can take photos with us. All we ask is a donation of a new unwrapped toy or toys. And while you're in the giving mood, in addition to your toy or toys donation, you may also donate non-perishable food items or make a monetary gift that will benefit the Food Bank of Iowa. We'll be working all week to plot our route around the Des Moines area, so get on the list right away. The sooner we fill up our route, the faster we can get back to you with our arrival window.
What do you think?
I love this plan. I'm excited to be a part of it. Let's do it!